join us in a round of applause and gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, we are entering the realm of the new intelligence.
Welcome to the stage, Soraya Hidalgo, Head of Strategic Partnerships at Universitat Polytechnic de Catalunya, Barcelona Tech, and Dr. Michel André, Director of the Laboratory of Applied Bioacoustics.
Imagine that you are standing on the beach, listening to the waves. Now, imagine that you are beneath them in the depths of the sea. This is the sound of the ocean, the sound of life. The ocean is alive with sounds, a vast interconnected system.
Unlike light, which fades a few meters below the surface, sound travels across incredible distances underwater. This allows marine creatures to communicate often over hundreds or thousands of kilometers. Whales sing, fish call, dolphins use click and whistles to navigate, to find food, to breed, to survive. Sound is the only communication support that they have, their lifeline. But imagine what would happen if we disrupt this soundscape. What happens if we drown out their world with sound?
More than 100 years ago, since the dawn of our industrial presence in the ocean, we have introduced massive sources of ocean and noise pollution in the depths. Noises coming from oil and gas prospection, military exercises, scientific research, shipping, wind farming, all these noises, this increased human activity has become a growing constant presence in the depth of our oceans.
Something you might not know of. In water, sound travels 5 times faster than in air, and low-frequency sounds, those that are produced by industry, can even travel faster and further. Now, today, it's almost impossible to find any corner of the ocean that is free of human-generated noise. Jacques Cousteau once spoke of the world of silence beneath the waves. The truth is that silence doesn't exist except for us, because humans can barely hear sounds underwater. Now, if we drop a hydrophone into water, a microphone designed to be used underwater, we hear something extraordinary. A vibrant world of over 20,000 sounds. A world of so complex so alien that it's almost like we have landed on another planet. And yet, this world, this soundscape, is filled with artificial noises that is dislocating marine life and of threatening the balance of entire ocean ecosystems.
More than 20 years ago, scientists started, and conservationists too, warning us about the effects of ocean noise pollution. Now, the combined effects of human increased activities in the ocean, together with the effect of climate change, is expected to raise noise pollution in the oceans 5 to 10 times louder in the next years.
Now, technology has provided us with a new sense, a way to listen the underwater world. From our desk, we can connect to the depth of the ocean anywhere on Earth. A program called Listen to the Deep Ocean streams 24/7 acoustic data to our servers from over 150 observatories around the world. This is the largest bioacoustic data on Earth.
And this is a powerful gift. This is really a powerful gift. A truly chance to hear ocean distress and its message.
Yeah, but these gifts comes with responsibility. The damage that we've done in the ocean cannot be ignored anymore. We have to act quickly, we have to repair what we can repair, and we have to restore biodiversity and use technology to cohabitate with nature. Time is short. We need to take advantage of this technology to provide us with a balance of our activity. But there is hope. There are places in the world where the impact of artificial sources remains minimal, as in the Arctic and the Antarctic. There, the frozen, the untouched regions are still preserving the natural quiet of the ocean. But the ice is melting, and with the ice melting, new pathways are opening. And this is exposing this fragile habitat to this massive human activity that threaten to fill them with noise.
Now, this is not just an environmental issue. The increase of noise pollution in the oceans is putting economic interests at risk too. The global ocean industry represents today $1 trillion per year. Without solid scientific data on how effectively manage ocean noise pollution, industries face an uncertain future. That's why we need to take measures based on the evidence, not on assumptions, but on a truly understanding of what is happening in the oceans. The ones that will allow us to combine environmental protection together with economic and sustainable interest.
By investing in research, by collecting and analyzing data, we can establish guidelines to preserve ecosystem and support industry that rely on ocean resources. Sound scientific data will allow to empower policymakers, industry leaders, and conservationists alike. This will allow to take informed decisions to safeguard both our oceans and economic activity on Earth.
The oceans are alive. Oceans are alive with sounds. If we want to protect our planet for ourselves, for the future generations, we must listen, and we must do it now.
There is time, but very short, and yes, we must act now, but we must act together before this very delicate balance is lost forever.
Now, imagine that you are in the sea, under these waves. and you listen. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you.